Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you two ways to do an ABS bleed on Audi vehicles. Here we're working on a 2015 Audi Q7, but procedure is similar for other models. So to access the ABS bleed function, you can either go to maintenance and then select ABS service, and then select Audi, and then select manual selection, and then you select your Audi model. You can see there's a lot of models. They are currently already supported, and you just follow this on-screen instructions to activate the ABS pump. But there is another method that I want to show you as well. And if you go back to the home screen, go to diagnostics, go to Audi, manual selection, you can select your model here. But to make it quicker, you can do smart VIN. If you select smart VIN, and if the VIN comes up, then it'll select the model for you. But if it doesn't, you have to select the model yourself. You still have to select the engine. In this case we have a 3.0 turbo. Press OK and go to diagnostics, go to control modules, select ABS brake control system, and then go to active tests. And you can hear, if you press activate, this will activate the ABS pump and you can hear it. Alright, and when you're done, you can either go next or hit the back button. And then this also reads the codes from the ABS. You can clear the codes. Usually when you connect to the ABS control modules, the ABS light comes on dash. This is pretty common on most cars when the ABS control unit is scanned or accessed with a OBD2 scanner. So you might see that, but that light resets once you exit the ABS module. You can also clear codes. You can look at live data, for example, if you wanted to figure out which ABS wheel speed sensor is bad. You can read all the values here and you compare and see which one is not working. So it's really good for troubleshooting. But yeah, clear the codes when you're done, exit the ABS control module, and that should be it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.